Today we are revisiting this 52-inch Hunter R&M Old Time Original, manufactured back in 1981. 2-speed, non-reversible, finished in chestnut brown and polished brass, paired with a set of pecan square tip blades with your standard affair 15-degree blade pitch. Look over here, we have the tag. This is a model 22372, 2.5 amp shaded pole motor, serial number 1810, which dates to January of 1981. Of course, your standard original mount there on top. Light that you see on the fan, to my knowledge, is original. Was on the fan when I got it anyway. Filmed this fan around 6 years ago. Got this off of a marketplace listing. I believe the fan was installed in a solarium or a 3-season room in the seller's house, if I recall the listing pictures correctly. I think it was on a 1-foot down rod or something. I had to go buy a shorter down rod for it. But other than that, pretty nice fan, decent shape. Let's jump in and get started. I think I did have this installed in the house at some point in time as well for a little while. Here on low, we're doing around 105 RPM. Pretty quiet. Of course, throwing out a decent amount of air already. And high. Here on high, we're doing around 195 RPM. Motor is definitely quite noisier on high here, making a harmonic sound to it. Definitely quite interesting. Haven't encountered a shaded pole original that does this yet. Seems like these are all different beasts when you get them. Each one is slightly different. Turn the light back on. But despite that noise, it's a good running fan. Decently powerful, as you would expect. We'll go ahead and just watch it coast here to a stop, and then I'll start it up from a dead stop to high, since it kind of has a startup sound to it with this odd harmonic that it makes. All right, straight to high. Some of that sound may be the faceplate vibrating a little bit. It's not the light. The light's actually pretty quiet, despite being a slag glass light. Typically those buzz real bad on originals, but not in this case. And that's all I got. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video on this 52-inch chestnut brown and polished brass Hunter R&M Old Time Original Ceiling Fan from 1981, model 22372. We'll see you next time. Stay cool. Take care. Peace.